Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You already have 2 active numbers and a dual SIM phone. Now act. First, install both WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business apps, 1 number per app. Once done, open WhatsApp and verify the first number by SMS or call. Make sure to restore any backups for that account. Then, switch to WhatsApp Business and verify the second number the same way. This method uses separate apps, so each number stays registered independently. It avoids juggling multiple accounts in one app. Next, you will complete verification and configure each account precisely. You verify each number inside its app. Use SMS or the call option if messages fail. Once verified, set up profile name, profile photo, and privacy choices independently so contacts see correct info. For media, either export important chats from one app into local storage or enable separate cloud backups, 1 per app. Finally, test sending messages to a contact from each app to confirm both numbers work concurrently. To finish, personalize notifications and icons so you can tell which number receives a message at a glance. Make sure each app's background data and permissions are enabled so calls and SMS verification can complete. If verification fails, try toggling airplane mode, reinsert SIMs, or request a verification call. Network or carrier delays often cause issues. Once both accounts are active, maintain separate backups and update apps regularly to prevent conflicts. That troubleshooting tip should solve most registration hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.